All right, so today we're on Mark Foy's house. It is July 28th at 6:30 a.m. Currently 79 degrees. One thing I want to show you is right now when I wipe this, we've got no granules going off. Same thing over here on the control. This will be more important at the end, but as you can see, no granules are falling off. So let's go ahead and get started. This one's obviously paid for. So what we're going to need to do is unseal these shingles. Then we're going to unseal these. And lastly, these. We need to take the nails out that are along here, and then the nails out that are along here, so that we can pull this shingle out and put a new one in. So let's go ahead and get started. One thing I would like to note is this was already creased. One thing to see here, if you look, we have mat transfer, so the shingle's actually stuck to the bottom of this strip where it's supposed to seal at. Let's go ahead and keep going. All right, so now we got them all. Now we find the fasteners. Maybe. This one's okay to stay, but this one's got to come out. There we go. Okay. We've got this one removed here. These nails out. One thing I would also like to notice, because this doesn't usually happen, but from those high winds, see all the wind-driven debris that's came in between these tabs? That's not normal. It's not something that I see on a lot of my repairs. Okay, so now we need to put this back in. We're gonna slide it in, line it up. Now to add the nails. So there's everything there. So let's go ahead and go through this real quick and see what we have going on. Remember, this crease was already here. Let's go ahead and look here. You got mat transfer going on the bottom of this shingle, which means that this shingle's never going to seal back right. This one's not so bad. This was the one that was already tore. Let's put it mat transfer on that one. This one's got that mat transfer real bad. This one's really, really bad. You can see how much is stuck. So there's, and then one other thing to check is always want to see all that granule loss. See it all falling? And if you remember, see it right here. So we've got mat transfer. We've got this nail where it tore it. You see that tear in the shingle? That's where the nail head, when I pulled it out, tore it just a little. You've got a crease right here on this one now. You've got mat transfer on the bottom of this one. And that one's good. So we have granule loss, we've got mat transfer, we've got tears, we've got creases, we've got a pre-existing crease and tear, we have mat transfer, granule loss, and then if you come to the control, you do the same thing and you notice there's none of those granules. Okay, so due to this, we tried to do the repair, but this repair is a failure due to these issues, and we're asking for a full roof. Thank you.